Yeah, it's still 6th of June. I'm out trying to spray, and my wand on my sprayer worked perfect. Not a whole lot to it. It's also brand new. But my rear main spray nozzle didn't want to work. So obviously it's plugged up. Pulled it apart. All this crap here is what came out. Now, from the PTO pump, it uses vinyl tubing going to a hose adapter to upsize to a 1/2-inch metal pipe thread, galvanized. And at the male pipe thread is where your nozzle screws on. There's a double 1/2-inch female pipe thread, and then at the end of that, away from the pump and hose, you finally attach your nozzle with 2 screws. Usually I get a little piece of grit in there, just pop the nozzle off, clear the grit, keep on spraying. This time I could not get it to stay clear because of all the trash that was inside that 1/2x1/2 female brass adapter. Now the source of it was the galvanized tubing to 1/2-inch male pipe thread adapter. So what I'll do tomorrow is go get those 3 components brand new at the supplier and get 2 sets. One for this sprayer down here and one for my sprayer up at my farm. Well, if I have a problem down here, I'll have a problem up there eventually. I'm real religious about running fresh water through that tank and clearing both the hand wand and the main nozzle. But the glyphosate is a chemical salt. That's the base, as is the 2,4-D. They're both very, very corrosive, which is why I'm so funny about washing down whatever tractor I'm using to spray with. But anyway, it's 94 degrees, 70% humidity, puts the heat index about 104. It's miserable. So I'm going to take a break for a minute and then check my repair and keep on spraying. That's all for this one. Thank you.